This little thing is going to a collector in America. He pays us $3 million. And what now? You will get $1 million each when the job is done.
14 og 12. Vi skal være i lufthavnen om halv 10. Det drejer sig om, det er, at man er på forkant med alting. Jeg har ikke i mine 30 år, jeg har været her, udsat for noget som helst, der går overraske mig. Denne her. Prøv at se her. Den her. Og denne her. Sådan der, ikke? Der vil du godt se at komme lidt i træning, ikke? Og hvad de fik? Fordi jeg var opmærksom på, at de fik den der og den der og den der. Vær mistænkelig over for alt, så er der ikke noget, der overrasker. Ikke den store, kun den lille!
Good job.
Okay, so we're going to America, eh?
Los Angeles. But you, not going.
I'm not going anywhere without my partner or my team.
$30,000 plus all in.
That's a brave soul.
Okay, so let me see the seal. I've been dying to see it.
This game is getting really interesting. Let's make it a great game. That's a good hand.
Full house.
They taught you the game well in Albania, but I learned the game in Texas.
Oh. What do you mean you lost it?
Hey, chill out, man. We lost it, but we'll get it back for you.
What about my 100,000?
They're going to.
I'm not even gonna ask you what happened. But I tell you this. You got 24 hours to get it back, or there's no deal. Dinner's off. Get the fuck out of here!
Her, gør det du skal. Vi fortjener det.
I sincerely hope that that's money inside that case. My money. You owe me $200,000. Let's see what's in the case. Now, I usually prefer cash, but this must be worth a lot of money because you're protecting it so much. Don't even think for a second that you can take something that now belongs to me. Okay, well, let's play.
Fuck them up!
Thank you for coming.